Jim Cramer's here to answer your questions from social media. You know, on Fridays, people love to thank you, Jim. We get a thank you for all you do on Mad Money. And what do I do with 3M? Buy, sell, hold.
3M, you want to buy, and you want to buy aggressively. That was an unbelievable quarter. They're buying back stock. They've got a great dividend. Ingersolline's terrific. Buy, 3M.
Kimberly Clark.
Kimberly Clark, I saw that people are starting to think about maybe it's going up too much. That's ridiculous. I had Mr. Falk on. It was a fabulous quarter. Raw costs coming down, margins expanding. And by the way, Chinese New Year, the year of the monkey, usually have more kids that year. And if you go over the household formation numbers that Carol Toomey gave you, she's this fantastic CFO of Home Depot, you're going to see she thinks there's going to be a remarkable resurgence of actual more kids. And Target, Brian Cornell, doing more baby stuff. That was probably the strongest segment other than home furnishings by Kimberly.
All right, that's a good thing. Union Pacific, transport's looking up, or is this recession worries?
Union Pacific, I mean, come on. I mean, the problem is it just moved very, very big. They do have a lot of coal. That's not so good. They do have a lot of Mexico, which is good. Norfolk Southern's come down a lot. You're going to start analyzing easier comparisons. I like CSX because when they widen the Panama Canal, a lot of these big ships are going to be able to avoid the West Coast ports, which is notorious for labor, come to the East Coast, CSX.
Sun Edison.
Sun Edison, I'm just going to defer entirely to Carlton English. She does the story every hour on it. Just go read her Real Money.
You might do the same on this one, a Halliburton.
Halliburton, I think that, look, Schlumberger is the king. I don't know, but Halliburton, Baker Hughes, trying to get the satisfaction of an antitrust Justice Department is too hard. Just go by Schlumberger.
How about eBay?
No real edge on eBay. And there is its edges on eBay. You buy PayPal. That's the one they spun off. It's actually its name. PayPal going to 40.
CocaCola.
CocaCola, I think Muhtar Kent is doing a remarkable job. That last quarter was really terrific. You get the dividend. People have overlooked the changes. The changes are remarkable. I also like what they're doing in Europe with Salesforce.com. So Coca-Cola, inexpensive.
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack has come down too much for me to think that there's anything other than maybe this is the end of the kind of like momentum short bus trade. If you value this on any sort of reasonable valuation of average unit volumes, what you would say is I can't own Shake. Domino's, if it pulls back, that's a buy.
And finally, should I sell Disney and buy Netflix?
Why are these exclusive? Disney's good and Netflix is good, and so that's a person who really has to rethink their whole game plan. You don't sell one for the other. I mean, maybe you decide, okay, listen, I'm tired of Disney because it's been back and forth, but that's a hedge fund question. That's surprising.
All right, Jim Cramer, send your questions to Jim on social media. You'll find him on Facebook and on Twitter. Use hashtag CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com. That's getcrameredge.com.